Look what we have here. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, the Pixel 5a with 5G. This is a gift from Google. They sent this out for me to check out. Big thanks to them and Made by Google Products for sending this out. So you know we were expecting the Pixel 5a. We just didn't know when. Google suddenly dropped it here, so now it's here. So let's check out this bad boy and see what it's all about. Typical Pixel box, Google logo, Pixel 5a, 5G, has 5G of course. Very similar to the Pixel 4a 5G and the Pixel 5. Same design, and of course the Pixel 4. Y'all know that the Pixel 6 is going to be a whole redesigned phone with its own chipset, but packaging is very simple. Google, G, 5G, and some mumbo jumbo there. They got some pull tabs here, making it easy for you to open the box, and Team Pixel's in the house. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So we have the mostly black Pixel 5a. Kind of looks like a combination of dark green. From at a certain angle it looks green, and on a certain angle it looks black. So let's put that aside. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have our quick start guide, SIM ejection tool, and yep, it's a new kind of little design there. Haven't seen that. We do have a fast charging power brick type C. Y'all know that the Pixel 6 ain't gonna come with one of these, so make sure you pick up the Pixel 5a. So when you pick up the 6 or the 6 Pro, you'll have one of these. Problem solved. You do have your USB to Type C adapter in here, also included in the box, and you have your Type C to Type C charging cable. Voila. And I think that's all you get in here. Let's go ahead and put that back. But this phone will cost you $449, which is very competitive price. Let's go ahead and peel this screen protector. There we go. And look at that screen. Look at that size. Very feels good to have a big phone back in hand. I went from the Pixel 4a, as you can see, in size, way bigger in size, very similar in design but way bigger in size, boom, to which I'm currently using, the Pixel 5. And you can see the difference here in size as well. I did not get the 4a 5G, but the Pixel 5 feels good to have a big phone in hand. So bam, look at that. And then you have the 4a, the 5, and the 5a. And I, before going to the 4a and the 5, was rocking the 4XL. So I kind of miss, let's go ahead and line these up for you, the size of the 4XL, the bigger phone. This is a little tad bit smaller, but we all know that the 6 and the 6 Pro is going to be big in size, and I cannot wait for those. But let's go do a quick comparison of size. Very almost same size, but we all know this one has the front facing forehead on top with facial recognition, so the screen size might be equal, which is very welcome here. Feels very solid, feels a little bit sleeker. Actually feels a little bit sleeker than the Pixel 5 here, and it doesn't feel as plasticky as the 4A, but we have a 6.34 inch display, 1080p, 60 hertz. It does not have the 90 hertz display. The 5 does have the 90 hertz display. The 5A doesn't. Is it a deal breaker? I don't think so, because we do have a 4,620 milliamp hour battery, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. It is rocking the same processor as the Pixel 5, the 765G, which gives you the 5G capability, so you are going to be able to access your 5G networks. The rear camera, it's pretty much the same, 12.2 megapixel dual pixel autofocus and dual pixel phase detection. The front facing is a 8 megapixel, and you do have that wide camera sensor as well, which I believe it's another 12 megapixel. Recording video capabilities is 1080p at 30 frames, 60 and 120, and then 240 for slow motion. And you do have 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second. It's charging 18-watt adapter, as you saw earlier, for fast charging. You do have a USB 3.1 gen. You do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. The power button is textured and ribbed, which I absolutely love. This is a added feature, in my opinion, because you can, without looking at the phone, differentiate the power button from your volume rocker, and that is always a go. While we're here, let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Volume rocker, you do have a single nano SIM and a eSIM available for the Pixel here. Two stereo speakers, 2 microphones, noise suppression, all that good. You do not have wireless charging on this bad boy. Would have loved to see wireless charging, but it's okay. And just one color available, and it is mostly black, so it's gonna fit all your needs, because you can pick up tons of cases and change the colors, put a D brand skin on there and everything, and then you're good. So $449 for the Pixel 5A, the added battery, the added screen size, and they did add water resistance, or it is splash resistant, IP67, not IP68, but it doesn't matter. But you get all the Google goodness with this device. When you first pick up a Pixel, any Pixel, because they all have the call screening from Google Assistant, it's hard to pick up another device and not miss that feature, because that feature it adds so much value to your day-to-day life that you don't notice until it's gone. So you gotta try that call screening. It pretty much ends spam calls. Some of them do get through, but then once you block them, they won't get through at all. You can call screen, so if it doesn't recognize a number, it'll go ahead and screen that call. They can just say who it is, and you can go ahead and pick it up. But there you have it, guys. The Pixel 5A is here, $449, 6.3 inch Full HD AMOLED display, 60 hertz. Is it a deal breaker? I don't think so. You're getting great value here in the Pixel experience itself. Yeah, it's lacking a little bit of hardware features like wireless charging, and we could have added a little bit of a newer processor, but it's okay because the 765 is still running flawless. I use it every day on my Pixel 5. I can't wait to dive into this device here and see what it's all about. I think camera experience, it's going to be the same. It is lacking the laser autofocus like in the Pixel 5, as you can see. I did crack my camera lens there, so be careful. You see that laser autofocus there? It is missing here in the Pixel 5A, and then we did have it in the 4 XL as well. We did not have it in the Pixel 4A, so would it hinder the performance of the 5A camera? I don't know. We'll find out. That's why we're here for, to test this and put this through its paces. I'm going to go ahead and set this up and then continue with my day-to-day use on this device. It is going to be my daily now on. Can't wait to start using the device. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to Gadget Beard, because I will be doing a lot of accessory videos for the Pixel 5a, and I will put this phone through its paces. Again, big shout out to Google for sending this out for me to check out. Hashtag gift from Google, hashtag Team Pixel. Let's get it. Can't wait for the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro to arrive. But for now, this is the bad boy right here, the Pixel 5a. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.